Hello, my friend. This is the refrigerator trucks for our friend from Africa. You can have a look. This including the light truck and the heavy duty truck. Now we are testing this truck, the efficiency of this cooling system. So now today we could have a look. Today the temperature outside is around 14 degrees. Of the control panel, here is the setting temperature is minus 18 degree, and now is the temperature of the one box is minus 15.7 degree. Because of the temperature inside, so there's a lot of fog here. Here the temperature we tested is minus 16 degree. And it's still dropping. It's nearly minus 18 degrees. One patient is very good. Okay.